Get ready, because Toyota has just dropped a game-changer. This is the all-new Toyota Urban Cruiser, a compact electric SUV with bold design, advanced technology, and the power to shake up the EV market. One look, and you know this isn't just another SUV. Its muscular stance, hammerhead front, wide rear light bar, and bold curves scream authentic SUV DNA. Compact, yet impactful. This thing turns heads in every direction. And with 18 or 19-inch alloys plus a sleek bi-tone roof option, this SUV doesn't just blend in, it dominates the streets. But step inside, and here's where Toyota flips the script. A longer wheelbase means you get the spaciousness of a much bigger SUV. Sliding rear seats, reclining flexibility, and a 40-20-40 split-fold design. It's like the Urban Cruiser adapts to your life in ways you didn't even expect. And the atmosphere? Pure sophistication. Ambient lighting with 12 different moods, premium trims, and a driver-focused cockpit that's clean, futuristic, and ready for the road ahead. Now, let's talk power. The Urban Cruiser is more than just electric. It's versatile. You get 2 battery pack options, front-wheel or all-wheel drive, with up to 184 horsepower. Add in a new dedicated BEV platform, and this SUV delivers not just range, but confidence. With trail mode, downhill assist, and even snow mode, this isn't just for city streets. It's a true SUV for every adventure. And Toyota didn't stop there. The Urban Cruiser comes loaded with tech. A stunning 10.25-inch digital cluster fused with a 10.1-inch multimedia display, cloud-based navigation, smartphone integration, and even a 360-degree camera. Safety? You get the full Toyota Safety Sense suite. Adaptive cruise, lane assist, collision prevention, and so much more. Oh, and yes, the JBL premium audio system and panoramic sunroof are on the menu too. This is more than just an SUV. It's Toyota's bold step into the future of mobility. With a plan to launch 15 zero-emission vehicles by 2026, the Urban Cruiser is proof that Toyota isn't just following trends, they're shaping the road ahead. And if you love cars that inspire, cars that excite, and cars that define the future, you're in the right place. This is Carisma Drive, your home for the most exciting automotive stories worldwide. Hit that like button, subscribe, and buckle up, because the ride has just begun.